All right, so right now we are long 30 contracts looking for this bounce off of the 18,500 level. You can see on the 2-minute chart here on TradingView, kind of the setup, the VWAP there at the 500s, this push going for the 10 to 12 level. You know, the high of that candle right there was 1375, so I'm okay kind of not being greedy here and take in profit just in case we get stuck at that 12 level, you know. This is a good spot for overall kind of bounce. The dollar's selling off, the NASDAQ, the ES both kind of finding support at this level now. So I like to see that the ES and the NASDAQ are trying to push back up, which is interesting because you can see here right now, the ES actually kind of triple bottomed there. And that also got me kind of really thinking that the long was good for the NASDAQ. So I'm gonna see what happens here at the 500s, right there at the VWAP again. Try to maybe add to this actually. If we push back up into the green here, I'm going to add. All right, just want to see this start to move a little faster and then look to add here for more push. You see, I'm not adding to a loser. I'm trying to add to the fact that this market is holding here basically like we wanted to above the VWAP. So basically just want that VWAP to get respected here. All right, I want to see aggressive buyers stepping up here to get through this level. All right, this is what we really want to just get through the 10s. Back to the VWAP again. All right, I'm not letting 90s. I want to watch 90s here. All right, if we can't hold 90s, I'm jumping out. So, gonna be a painful loss. This is pretty much where it needs the breakthrough. It's stuck here right below the VWAP. All right, just putting a hard stop right there, just so that way there's no way emotionally I don't get out of this. So if it does hit my stop there, at least we cut it off. It's gonna hurt, but we guarantee we cut it off. Now we are in trouble. Should have probably gotten out now, but let this play out just on the higher time frames right now to see if we can hold here. 15-minute chart giving me hope that we could possibly bounce back up above the VWAP here. We got 3 minutes left there. This is that moment. It's got to make the decision right here. I think if we get back above that 05 level, we should be good here. You can see on the 15-minute chart, this candle trying to get back up in there. We got a minute left here. Get back above that 05 level, we should be good here. You can see on the 15-minute chart, this candle trying to get back up in there. We got a minute left here. Just got to get through that 06, 05 level good, and then we should be primed and ready. It's very tempting to just take it off right now. Just get out of it, 4,000. But I also, like, I've held this long. Right? I think I held this long. You're gonna make it real hard on me. Real fucking hard. All right. If this don't start going, I'm just gonna jump out. So it's gotta like go right through 505 again. Here today, across the board, these are the 150K. This one's 150K. So that pivot point down there, 73s. NASDAQ stuck below that 18,500 level. If we start to get through 95s, I'm going to grab it short here. See if we can't get right through the 90s there next. So grabbing it short there, get right through the 95s, take out the 90s there. Be my target, 70 contracts. Just need to get through that 85s there for my target to get filled almost. And trying to get through 85s there. We got to start moving through here right now, or I'm getting out. If we get back in the 90s, I'm out. I'm watching it here, 90s. Got to stay below 90s here. I'm going to lock it in right there. I just don't like how we can't. Still plenty of profits there. Down it goes. Now it's going through the 80s. Oh, sometimes, man. Sometimes. I just, you know, sometimes. Look at it. There it goes through the 80s. So I gotta walk away. It ain't happening for me right now. I'm getting all types of FOMO. Whew. I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it right now. Look at that thing. Oh, God. But still locking it in my Apex accounts here. But still locking it in there. Apex accounts, almost 4,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts. So 8,000 plus another 8,000, 16,000, 17,000, and then yeah, over 20,000 hour day to day. Let's fucking go, boys. Right now, Apex is 80% off 1 day pass, 50% resets. Let's go.